I'm going to show you how to add text to your video in PowerDirector, so let's get started. First open the app and then open your project or create new one. I'm gonna open my project because I already uploaded video there, and what you need to do next is click here on this text icon, and here you get a lot of styles you can choose from. Okay, I'm gonna go classic, this one, and you need to tap and tap again on this plus. And here we go, you get your text here. What you can do next, you can adjust the size of it. So just tap on these arrows and do it bigger. And then you can just tap on this text and you can put it to the center like this. What you can do next, if you click on this text here, you can also edit your text. So we're gonna edit, and I'm gonna write one click later. Okay. If you tap on this arrow, you can also change the duration of your text. And also you get a lot of options here. You can change the font. If you want to know how to add a new font to your video, check my another video. Make sure you watch another video I upload. And this is how can you add text in PowerDirector. And this is how can you do it, guys. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button, and if you want to support this channel, subscribe, and see you one click later. Goodbye.